Hello guys, today I want to tell you about my new project. It's named as Billing. Doesn't matter are you freelancer, small business, big business, or someone who needs just create one invoice and wait until someone will pay. Doesn't matter, you can use it. It's right now free, full free, no any fee, without any fee. It's support multi-network, and you can just right now scan this QR code and use it. You can find there all information, their very detailed documentation. You can find their dashboard, control your invoices, share links to pay invoices. That's it, very easy. And right now I just want to show you its main page. So here you can see how button get started, learn more. So if you just want to start, press get started and that's it. Why choose this billing? Low gas fee, I optimize it. Multi-network support, real-time notifications. Support right now only Telegram. Already there exists email, but for email you need to contact me directly. I can turn on for you specially. It's possible it will be chargeable because for send mails it's not free for me. I use another solution for that, and if you want it, I will distribute you this, but need to ask me to connect you. Right now only Telegram notification if you don't want contact with me. In the future I will create automated, you will just pay bill and will use for months email notifications very easily. This is what other people say, and again, create an invoice and learn more. Learn more. If you are very interested, you can go there to read about it. There are different frequently asked questions. Also, what's important, it's full open, so you can watch GitHub repository and there will be wall code which you need. Also, when you sign some transactions, all smart contracts, they have, I posted their code and you will know what you press. Contact us. Here you can write any message to me or just copy and email me or send me a message Telegram or LinkedIn. You will find there. I will try to answer you as soon as possible if you're interested. Why it's important for me? Because I think I create very interesting solution and I will be very glad if someone will use it and will be happy to use it, and someone's life will be easier after that. So let's start. For example, you scan this QR code and you will be on main page here. So let's start. Get started. One interesting thing, if you will log in or sign up, you will be able to filter all invoices and see only your invoices. But if you are anonymous, you still can create invoice, you still can share links, but of course no any notification, nothing will happen. But if someone will pay, it will pay you directly. For what here? Smart contract. As you understood, we will use MetaMask. And when we will use MetaMask, you should know that there will be used some smart contract. You will sign something. Right now, transactions only in USDT, and when you sign transactions, there are two transactions. You allow smart contract to use part of your USDT. It's important for it will be happen with buyer. As usually, if you use it before, like it's named allowance, so you allow smart contract to use part, not all, just part, and you will see how much. I will show you your tokens, and second transaction will be allowed to send these tokens to someone, so it will be directly transferred to seller. So for what needs some smart contract, just to check logs and understand, and for more controls, everyone can see it. So very open solution, and for my backend can see logs of smart contract and understand, this was paid, and it can mark bill or invoice paid. Let's create just run anonymous when we are anonym right now without logged in session, and right now use MetaMask. It will ask you password. See, it's connected. Maybe it will ask you, because my MetaMask already connected, will ask your allowance to see your account info and other things. So just press OK. You will see it's nothing, something bad or something. So, and just create some amount, 123. and choose Cipolle Optimism like for test. It's test network. There have only I have their tokens. If you will choose Optimism or Arbitrum, you can choose both, and anyone will be counted. When someone will pay, he will have choice where to pay. But right now, just this, because we will open a page to login, sign up. See here you can see information, invoice ID, amount, network supported for pay this. Seller, let's just pay, just for example. I will pay, need connect to Cipolle testnet and pay with MetaMask. See, it's asked how much you allow to do it. So I'm just pressing no more, only this amount can be used. Approve. See, very low fee because it's test network. Also, first transaction confirmed, it's we allowed. Now we need a request to send, and as you can see, payment is under processing. It will be marked as paid once everything is fine. Okay, so here you can see like button checking is showing that you cannot pay it twice, but if you will reload page, you will allow it. So no, just wait until it will be finished. And it will be updated automatically, and because it was anonymous transaction, right now we will not get any notifications because creator of this invoice is anonymous and we cannot understand who did it. So just need to wait a little bit. Maybe there will be magic of video. See? No, any magic. I just wanted. Oh, you will not trust me. You will think, but you can check. It was 11:13 and it's still 11:13. So yeah, it's market paid and that's it. It's paid. If you will go to dashboard, it will be paid. Market paid. But let's go to try to check other thing. So let's go sign up, create a mail, like that. Sign up. See, now we can see only our invoices, but no invoice found. So for that, we need to create our own invoices. So just again, use MetaMask. Here, who is seller? It's address where you ready to, where tokens will be go. For example, you need to show your address from MetaMask or someone else. Be very, see, just more important. Just know it should be in good form, in right format, like 0x and blah blah blah. For example, let's try to corrupt it, something like that. Right now we'll use in real networks, and for example, just $1 to test. Great, and see, seller address must be valid Ethereum address like. So Ethereum address like, it's mean like all addresses like Optimism or Arbitrum or all L2. As I know, all L2 solutions have same address, so you can just send there. So use MetaMask button, or you can copy from some source somewhere. See here, I press copy and just input copy paste here. Create invoice. It's created right now because it's our invoice. We can delete it. If it's not our invoice, we cannot delete. If you are anonymous, I cannot know. My application cannot know are you anonymous or no. It cannot are you is it invoice your or no, because it's without any identification, only about sellers. Maybe it's good idea to, but in next times you can be allowed to sign up via MetaMask or something else. And right now we will pay ourselves. So see allowed networks here, Optimism and Arbitrum one. We will see, and yeah, if you are not on correct network, right now we are on Optimism Cipolle testnet, we will try to pay and you will see error. Please switch to the correct network. So let's just try to switch to Optimism because they're the smallest fee for transaction if compared with Arbitrum. But sometimes I'm not sure, but all of them not so big, doesn't matter. And okay, we are switched our network and again pay with MetaMask. Now it's on processing. Again, allowance. See, it's already USDT. So Let's do it. Approve. Now, second stage, like sign, real, transfer money. Confirm. Payment is under processing. It will be marked as paid once everything is fine. And see, now it's on check-in and you cannot pay twice. So just wait. So what we can see, if you have your signed up, but application can identify which invoices are yours and you can delete it. This first feature good for signed in users. Another thing, it's like notifications, but for notification, as I told you, it support email and Telegram. Right now, Telegram available for everyone who will connect their Telegram to bot. But for email, you need to make additional request to me to connect it. So right now, it's not possible to make it free because not all code ready for that. Technically, it's ready, but not for each one who can use it. So right now, just direct asking. So see, the invoice has already been paid, and I have 82 or something like dollars. I don't remember. Sure. 82, yeah, 82. It's same 82. Nothing changed because I transferred myself. But what about notifications? We want to see on how notifications working. Just go to settings page. Here also are APKs, but about that in the end of video. You can find and pinned video. I forgot. In YouTube you can see timestamps or something like that. So see, email only available on by subscription, but we want to connect our Telegram. So just connect Telegram. For activate the bot to receive Telegram notifications, need activate bot. Just press button and it will be redirected to bot where you need just write one message. Open Telegram desktop. I need, let's imagine like here nothing because I just use it to delete, to check before. So just again, press start. We have saved your contact. You will be able to send your payment notifications here. And we will be able to send you payment. Yes, correct. Right now, just try to create another invoice. Let's try Arbitrum, okay. Create invoice. Use MetaMask ourselves. And just for Arbitrum, amount same one, because I think on my Arbitrum I have only one. Let's just to demonstrate to delete. I will not or demonstrate. Okay, invoice delete successfully. We will go back. Now we cannot see this invoice. Again, just try again. Arbitrum 1, create invoice. Settings, we already have it. Yes, we turn it on Telegram. Pay with MetaMask. Press. What will happen? You remember? It should say like Arbitrum not correct network. Yeah, sometimes just need to reload page and that's it. See, need to go to Arbitrum 1. How much we have right now? Only 1 USD. Pay with MetaMask. You cannot see any changes on balance because I transfer to myself. But if someone will transfer to you or you will transfer to yourself, no, if someone will transfer to you, of course it will be paid. And so no fee. You can see I will show you a little bit later when we will sign. We can see transaction and how it looks like. Okay. 1, pay. Pay. Next. Approve. See, we paid 3 cents for approve, so and 5 cents for make transaction. But before make transaction, see contract info. I will just keep it. A view on Block Explorer. I just want to show you what is it. It's contract. You can see green mark. It's mean contract verified, and you can see code of contract. It's same for all networks which I will use right now. In the future, I will announce what will happen. So better to be signed up on my application because I can send you maybe some mails in the future. Not right now. I will not send you something else because it's not set up. So I have no any mailer right now. Only for notifications and only for that case right now. In the future, I don't know, but I will inform you somehow. Subscribe on video or my Telegram channel. You can see there are different things. Also, there you can see some updates about my application. Feel free. And see, this is main invoice. Other things is just part of another libraries which I use, but it's need to show here for be sure. For make it work. See, pay invoice. I just very easily explain you what's happening. So we have token to understand which token we will use for Arbitrum and Optimism and USDT token. It's USDT token. Allowance amount. Which amount we will transfer. We check that we check how much smart contract can use your tokens. See if it's not allowed for amount which we need, it will be written not allowed allowance for transfer. It just thinks, no need to think about it too much. Just know that there are nothing something like the scams or something like that. So you don't need to fully understand. I just want to generally explain that it's very simple. Another string. So just transfer money from sender to seller amount which we talked about, and require the transfer was success. If it's not success, this message will be shown. And just create this event, emit pay invoice event, backend application every time check this event, and for that, after it's checked, you can see how it's paid. So payment failed because we didn't confirm this part. So same if you will press on something like that on Optimism, it will be same. So okay, just reject and again try to pay again. Just continue with stage 2 transfer, confirm. See, payment is under processing, it will be marked, blah blah blah, everything is fine. So after 20-30 seconds it will be again page reloaded and you will see how it's paid. That's it, very easily. What to do with your clients? You just create invoice, and this link, it will be automatically open after you create it. Just copy this link and send it to your customer or someone. Very easily to use. Also see here we got notification invoice paid, so we can just open. See, the invoice has already been paid. Here it's updated, it's paid. That's it, guys, that's it. So again, this a QR, you can easily go to my application. Ta-da, very easily. And let's go very fast talk about for API users, very fast. So here you can see documentation page. Just read, if you're just common user, you can read here about overview, some limits, how much invoices you can make per day, create invoices, how to create invoice, about notification, about making payment, most asked questions, just 3, and API endpoints. So for API, you remember let's just copy in settings. For API, of course, only signed in users can do it. Why? Because you need APK. For create APK, just create new APK in your settings. This key, which will be created, it will be not shown more. It will be hashed, and I just talk with developers right now. It will be hashed, and that's it. So if you need to save it right now. After that, you cannot restore it. Just need, for example, what will happen. You don't remember password or this APK. Only what you can do, just delete this APK. That's it, nothing more. So again, just create new APK. And here, maybe I have Postman, I will try. So just to demonstrate you this. And for authorization, you need to use this APK. Authorization, you choose APK, not APK, like barrier token use. That's it. Try to create some invoice. Just check will it work or no. No, we get work for everyone. Just to create. is created, and we should see if our key, maybe it's not, we didn't use it correct, creating only my invoices, 150. Yes, see this ID which we created, now we can see in our dashboard. So it's created, and application understand that we created it. So for you, what you just need, you need to send this application, this link like see billing DigitalScyther.com, invoices, and ID of your invoice. That's it. It will be created. So for developers, just treat more, how to say, with more attention this section in documentation, and that's it. So if you are a freelancer or small business or big business, feel free to use it. It's open source, everyone can use it. It's free right now. And if you need a mail notification, you just can direct message to me. In description of video, you also will find ways how you can email me or write me in other social networks. Also, I have some other social networks like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, many different. Not very often post there, but you can subscribe there. Maybe sometimes there will be. The main source is my Telegram. You can write there, and in description of video you can find ways how to donate me. It's very easily. So for what you can donate me, because this is billing DigitalScyther or just one of my project, you can find another one. See, like its homepage. Also before what I created, like address generator for Tron and for 3 others like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's generate 2 things like private key and address. But just remember that it's essential for accessing your cryptocurrency wallet and funds. Not very free, but I created it. Not very free, how to say, because who don't want to pay, that one pay twice. It's not very how to secure way to get case, but somehow you can do it. Also, you can see here there are a few projects which I developed too. So right now I was working about USDT billing. You can support it, just transfer money to these addresses. If you will support it by donate, I will create it more faster. So yeah, crypto memory more interesting by my opinion, but for this need more resources. Yeah, that's it. Just feel free to register there, to use it. Just create your invoice and share link to someone pay. It's very easily. For what you need it, you can say, oh, I can use other applications for do it like Binance or something else. But you remember what you do. If you someone share just your address, after that you just very often monitor how when your transaction will be finished. Here, no need monitor, no need check your application. Telegram, email, you will get notifications very fast, as fast as possible. If you're a freelancer and someone can pay you with MetaMask, just share them this. Yeah, right now supported only MetaMask. In future, maybe I will connect Phantom and other things. Yeah, feel free to share it. But yes, that's it. What I want to say you. So check links in description of video. There you can find, as I told, different links to my and other social networks. And I will be very glad that you will like this application. Bye bye.